Hey guys, are you thinking about buying verified Nextdoor accounts in bulk, but aren't sure where to start? With so many sellers online, choosing the right accounts can be confusing. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 most important things to check before buying, common mistakes to avoid, and how to choose a reliable provider. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Start by defining your marketing goals. Know how many accounts you actually need and which locations you plan to target. Tip number 2. Always choose verified accounts rather than newly created accounts whenever possible. Tip number 3. Check the account age. Older accounts may have a longer history, but overall quality matters more than age alone. Tip number 4. Confirm exactly what you will receive before purchasing, including login credentials and any support or replacement policy. Tip number 5. Research the seller carefully. Read reviews, compare policies, and look for transparent information before placing a bulk order. Tip number 6. Don't focus only on the lowest price. A slightly higher quality account can save you time and frustration later. Tip number 7. Understand the seller's replacement policy before you buy. Knowing what support is available can make a big difference if issues arise. Tip number 8. Secure your accounts after delivery by updating passwords and organizing your account information safely. Tip number 9. If you're using newly acquired accounts, avoid making sudden changes or high-volume activity immediately. Gradual, responsible use is generally a better approach. Tip number 10. Finally, keep your accounts organized. Whether you're managing accounts for multiple clients or several business locations, good organization makes long-term management much easier. Now, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid when buying verified Nextdoor accounts in bulk. Buying from unknown sellers, ignoring verification status, choosing the cheapest accounts, skipping account security, or expecting instant marketing results. Taking a little extra time before purchasing can help you avoid these common problems. Buying verified Nextdoor accounts is only one part of a successful local marketing strategy. Choosing quality accounts, working with a reliable seller, and engaging genuinely with local communities will always produce better long-term results. If you're comparing providers, Bulk PVA Shop is one option that offers verified Nextdoor accounts in bulk. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more digital marketing content and leave your questions in the comments.